Alexa, what's the current wind chill?
Currently, the wind chill is minus 33 degrees.
So, us Midwesterners are in the middle of a polar vortex right now, and all over social media, there's been this myth that if boiling water gets exposed to this ice-cold air, it'll evaporate instantly. So, I'm going to go test that out. Let's go. So that was pretty cool, but like I feel like there's something else that we should do with this, you know?
Food coloring.
Red food coloring. That didn't work very well.
Alright, I'm done. Alright, I'm done.
My bottle is literally melting. And what's a video without a little slow-mo? So now I'm going to video with my phone to see what it looks like when I throw some water at this guy. Alright, so here we go. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like. And check out some of my other videos on this channel too. Till next time, see ya. Alexa, what's the current wind chill?
PTC Windchill is a product lifecycle management software product that is offered by PTC. Windchill is currently being used by...
Alexa, what's the current wind chill?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Back in the microwave.
I have to redo that because you're talking.
Okay. Back into the microwave.